What's going on, everyone? My name is Bruno and this is my LGA Week 9 match against Pokebaldi. So this is the last week of the regular season. We need to win to make playoffs, and we are facing Pokebaldi and his rain team, which would be pretty interesting. I don't usually like to face weather teams, but here we are playing a weather team. So this time it's a rain team. Yes, Terra Steel Mesprit, which was something that I did not want to see, but we'll have to deal with it. We have Terra Steel Vikavolt and we have Sticky Webs to try to set up webs and try to deny his speed with the rain. So I'm going to lead with the Azel, predicting the Glimora lead. It's something that we're going to do. And we will try to play around it. So yeah, I think I go for that. It's the plan. I have Sash, I have Rock, Stunt, Psychic, and Endeavor. So hopefully we can catch most of his team. We'll see. I kind of want to lead with Palafin as well to set up a flip turn and get up the big mode. Vikavolt would be nice as well to set up sticky webs, but we're gonna keep the Azel fleet. I don't want to deal with the Azer Glimora, so we'll see what he leads. That is Greninja, which was literally the lead that I did not want to see. I'm gonna go for a I'm gonna go for Stealth Rock, I think. This might be bad, but I'm gonna go for Stealth Rocks. Okay, so I am faster than Greninja. So is Azard's Greninja? It's not. Okay, so I'm faster. I'm gonna go for Endeavor. Gonna go for Endeavor. Weird that I'm faster than Gren. But quite honestly, just being able to stop this one is nice. I don't think he speed ties with me. You might have Water Shuriken. You might be thinking Explosion would be a thing. So this might mean that Glimora is not Azar stacking, maybe. In some kind of like yes, it's gonna switch out. So something's gonna get endeavored. And let's see who it is. Who's Mike? It is the Glimora. Okay, so you might get a air balloon. Yeah, that sucks because I'm levitated on Weezing, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go for a Sidekick. Yeah. And I killed the Glimora. So the Azelf kills Glimora. Yeah, said that I am not enter as Pelipper. I might be able to just go for an Endeavor on this Pokemon. It's Boots. The thing is, Endeavoring the honestly can sack the Weezing because I don't really need the Weezing. It would be nice because having Endeavored something here is pretty cool in my opinion. And I can also just bring the Kyurem and get a kill. Because he really doesn't switch well into Kyurem. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna save the Azelf. I'm gonna bring the Weezing. And yeah, we're gonna do just that. If you're gonna go for a U-turn, it's fine. He might bring the Ace Elf. If he brings the Ace Elf, I might bring the Palafin or the Vikavolt. Honestly, I can bring the Palafin and just flip turn. Rain is up, so we can do just that. He's gonna Terra, so there's no point in clicking Toxic with the Wheezing, because he has Terra Steel, so completely negates my strategy. So let's see if the Mesprit comes in. That is the Barraskewda. Honestly, on that Pokemon, I kind of want a Sludge Bomb. So I'm gonna do just that. I think I can leave a hit. Like, I am really bulky. Yeah, I'm really bulky. I can go for a Sludge Bomb. He might bring the... Now that I think about it, he might bring the Archaludon. So probably Strange Team was probably better. Yeah, there's the Archaludon. Okay. So that was not a good play for me. I can just go potentially into Azelf. I can go into the Vikavolt. Gonna take the chance to go Vikavolt. He might just Flash Cannon. I don't think he clicks Dragon Move. You can also just click Rocks. Rocks would be a good play. Iron Defense. Oh. Okay, so this isn't terrible. I'm gonna go for Volt Switch. And then I have Spexcurum. I have Spexcurum, which can just go for an Ice Beam. Curum against Archaludon. Let's say Draco kills, Ice Beam doesn't. Well, with the depends on the Volt Switch damage. Draco kills. It goes for Electroshock. So the special attack rolls, he might be able to attack, but I'm Spadef bulky. Yeah, doesn't do much. And now I can Volt Switch. Yeah, I might have to Draco as the stamina, but I have to Draco. I might have to. I can also Earth Power. Earth Power kills. Well, if he's max... Let's see if he's max... I might need to Draco. Draco is the best move I have. So, I have to click Draco. Yeah. It kills, so that's nice. Kyurem kills Archaludon. Okay, now is a matter of dealing with the Mesprit. Not to refrain still. I don't see the rain going up, so I assume it's down. Yeah, because it's not. He's not what's it called? The Damp Rock. His boots on Pelipper, so makes sense. Let's see. The play might be to win. You might want to win. Oh, okay, that might do damage. I'm still gonna go into the Wheezing, I think. Rain is up again. It's fine. I'm gonna go into the Wheezing, because then again, I don't really need it. So let's go into Wheezing. Goes U-turn, makes sense. He's eventually gonna bring the Mesprit, which I assume he can bring it right now. He can also bring the Greninja. We'll see. He brings Gren, I bring Palafin. I've seen this mon before. It's Bara, okay. Then I click... Well, I can go into the Go-Goat. Because this time I think he attacks. So I'm gonna go Go-Goat. And we will play around it. I like still having the Ezel for the Endeavor. Liquidation, okay, I might be able to take that really well. Okay, not really well, but I take it. Takes Rocky Helmet. Now, Ornleech seems kind of free. Wild Charge would be a wild play. I can also just Synthesis. Well, Ornleech gives me the most amount of damage, so if he brings a Pelipper, he brings a Pelipper. Okay, that's Mesprit. I'm gonna go for an Ornleech. Doesn't do much, he's bulky. I bring Palafin, then I flip turn. You can also be rocks on this thing. That would be something that makes sense. But I really want big mode Palafin. So we're gonna do just that. We're gonna go Palafin. Yeah. Rain is eventually gonna end. So Palafin takes a Toxic, which sucks. He's gonna, of course, Terra. At least I have close combat. Terra Steel. He might be Calm Mind. He's Light Screen. Okay, I am gonna go for a flip turn. So it isn't terrible. If it's Light Screen, it isn't terrible. We flip turn. We go Vikavolt, I think. Goes for U-turn. He might bring the what's the name? The Bara. Rain is eventually gonna end. Goes Greninja. So I can bring Palafin again. Rain stopped. I think I can leave a hit. Let's try to leave a hit. Yeah, I'm gonna try to leave a hit, because I think I can. I'm really bulky. Terra still on with Volt Switch. Is Protein... Not sure if it was Protein. Maybe I should have gone into the... Let's see. Needs to hit the move as well. Goes Hydro. Doesn't kill me. I'm gonna kill him. Volt Switch takes Greninja out. Okay, so the crit didn't matter. The Vikavolt kills the Greninja. And I think I go Waze Elf. I can also go Palafin. But Kiram can also go into the Wheezing. Maybe Pain Split. Or Go Goat as well. Now, there's a couple of options. I'm gonna go Waze Elf. But at this point I have to start sacking Pokemon. Let's see. Palafin is in a really good spot. I can Endeavor this. I might Endeavor this because I think Palafin is in a really good position of winning if I Endeavor. So I'm gonna Endeavor this thing. Yeah. U-turn. Okay. So Pelipper kills the Azelf. Now let's see if he brings the Barra. If he brings the Barra, I might just see how much. This is the Barraskewda. Well, let's see how much Palafin does. Palafin, big mode, in rain against Barraskewda. Yeah, I need a bit more damage. So I'm gonna go into the Go-Goat. I'm gonna click Horn Leech. Flip turn. He's gonna take Rocky Helmet. I'm gonna go for... So this is probably in range of Jet Punch now. Yeah, I forgot to put Rain on the Calc. But yeah, now he's in range of 100%. So the Go-Goat kills the Pelipper. Let's see. I'm gonna go directly into Palafin if he goes into the Mesprit. Mesprit. He has less than 50. He has a Citrus. I will try to Leech Seed. Healing Wish. Is that bad? Is that bad? Mesprit kills. Can I leave a... No, okay. Mesprit kills itself. Healing Wish. I think Palafin can leave a hit. Then CC. Right? Yeah, and in rain, let's see if it's Wave Crash. It showed Liquidation, but still, I'm gonna still calculate Wave Crash. In rain, it doesn't kill, because I am at 351. 351. It's 88%. There's no way I die, and Close Combat plus Jet Punch kills. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go Palafin. The Willing Wish was a nice play, for sure. So I should have just Synthesis. Synthesis would have won me the game right there. But it is what it is. I'm gonna go for a Close Combat. Close Combat plus Jet Punch should be enough. I'm gonna go for Giga Impact. I can leave that. I can just Close Combat. And yeah, the crit didn't matter because Jet Punch will be able to secure the win either way. GG to Baldi. This was a 4-0, I think. So I think that secures playoffs. It's a really nice differential because of differential. I could have secured the 5-0, but there was no point in it because I can't predict in Wish. So yeah, I think that'll put us at 5 wins, 4 losses, plus I think plus 8 or 9. Should be playoffs for sure. I don't think the teams that were above us can reach us because of the refreshal then again. So yeah, if there's a playoff match, there's a playoff match. If there's not playoff match, because for some reason we don't make it, but I think we make it. I think we make it. GG to Pokebaldi again. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace, guys.